This VIP Realty property video is presented by Valerie Vaccaro. Owners spared no expense on this first floor and unit Palmetto floor plan, 1,600 square feet of living space completely redone less than 2 years ago with upgraded kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, under cabinet lighting, tiled backsplash, oversized pantry and breakfast island. Luxury vinyl and tile throughout. Living room features built-in bar with subway tile backsplash, perfect for those afternoon happy hours, recessed lighting and sliders to large screen tiled lanai overlooking tranquil landscaping and steps from pool. Split master bedroom floor plan giving both you and your guest complete privacy. Master bedroom features large walk-in closet, dressing area and custom walk-in tiled shower. Both bathrooms have raised vanities with granite countertops. Plantation shutters throughout, 6-panel doors, custom lighting, separate laundry room with full-size washer and dryer and so much more. Unit being sold turnkey, few exceptions, carport number 3, golf cart space number 363 and golf cart. Brand new roofs just replaced. Unlimited golf with no fees, tennis, bocce, pickleball, 6 pools, restaurant and so much more, close to shopping, dining, RSW, beaches and downtown. For more information, review the details below or contact Valerie Vaccaro at 631-404-7563.